In today's painting, I'm doing another pendulum pour. This time I'm going to try it on 3 canvases. They are all 12-inch by 24-inch canvases, so the total size will be 36-inch by 24-inch. I'm using some of my favorite colors for the undercoat: yellow, orange, magenta, and turquoise. I know some of the colors can get muddy, and on my first canvas I really screwed up with blending and mixing too much of those colors. So I ended up getting another canvas and starting over on this one. I grabbed more paintbrushes and kept one paintbrush for my turquoise and purple areas, and one brush for the orange and yellow areas, so that I wouldn't get this muddy mess that I got in this first canvas. I just squeezed out a good amount of paint onto the canvases. I ended up not worrying about the sides in this one. I think I'm just going to paint them white. For my white paint, I just used titanium white paint mixed with Sargent Art Gloss medium and a little bit of water to get a nice thin consistency. And I'm using a 20-ounce container. I think by the time I filled it up, I probably had about 14 ounces of paint, so I had a really decent amount of paint. I definitely feel like it's moving better with the weight. Overall, I think the changes to my setup with the different string and also adding that weight to the string helped a little bit. So I'm going to keep testing this out and maybe change up the size of the hole in my bottle next time to go even smaller. I want to make sure that I get a good nice flow of paint, but I also have areas that you can see where the paint is overlapping, where it really pooled, and I want to try and stop that. I also think that I just need to work on my swing a little bit better and go in more of a circular motion. A lot of times it seems like it's going more in an oval pattern, so I'll just be trying some different techniques. But overall, it dried really, really well. None of the paint cracked in those areas where the paint was pooling, and my undercoat looks really good. So I just have a really awesome contrast of that background color with the white design on top.